Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining today's session. Sorry. Yeah, there were holidays, so I was unable to come online and have great as previous conversations with you guys and started. So yeah, how was holidays, everybody? I hope everybody enjoyed their holidays. Still, holidays are going on, and Happy New Year to my fans, my followers. Yes, uh, we are live again after 2 days, and of course, what we will do, we will perform live trade during the live session using my real account instead of my demo account. And let's have uh, a look. First of, before we start our today's session, I would love to update you guys. Uh, Cryptocurrencies is our highly volatile market. So try to be safe. This video is just for information and fun. It's not a financial advice. Um, just be safe, guys. Do your own research before you start doing trading, and more of that, just try to trade on demo account if you are new to crypto. Then you can just if you understand the market, if you understand the trends, if you understand the movement of the coin, then you can take in. Yes, you can just add your real money. But I would love to mention this again. Please, it's a very volatile market. Be safe and try to use small margins. And yes, this video is just for information. And don't follow my trades. Just have a look like how I perform live trades, and that's the way you will have a better understanding. Um, yeah, there is a link in the bio and description. You guys can just click on that to join my to join my community, and that's the way we can connect with each other, and we will learn together. So yeah, that's it for now. And moreover, let's have a look. So yes, we always discuss some news before we start our everyday trades and what's going on in the market. So let me have a look and update you guys about what's going on in the market. And in today's session, we will try to make like three, four, five trades. That depends how much money we can make or we can lose. Yes, if somebody is winning, then somebody is losing. So somebody's money is coming to your pocket and your money is going to somebody's pocket if you are losing anything. So yes, that's the beauty. Uh, okay, so let's talk about what's going on with the BTC, what's going on with the small coins, and everything looks a little bit in. Let me tell you guys. Okay, so yes, it's today, January 2, 2026. Of course, and start of new year. I wish you all best of luck for your future for this to 2026. Let's make this year of trading for you guys. It's now crypto market is 3 trillion market, $3 trillion market. So it's a big market. There must be some amount for you guys. So what you have to do, you have to just grab it, and how you grab it, you learn first, then you can earn. And we I have just created this page, this session for you guys to just understand and see how it's going on, and how can you earn, and how can you learn, how can you check where is support, where resistance. We will see the RSI, we will see everything. We are learning together, so I'm just trying to um okay, let me set this up, set the screen. Okay. Okay. So for now, let's talk about what's going on in the market. So yes, let's talk first. So let's not forget to talk about BTC. Okay, so BTC is just trading approximate like in last 24 hours. Yeah, it was 88,600, and 89,500. So resistance level is for now is 89,500, somewhere around there. And it could leads, there are chances, well, in the start of, in the beginning of every year, when the holidays just um finishes, the BTC always moves a little bit. So that's the history. If you see the history, if you see the previous patterns, so that's the way it moves. Uh, Of course, it's because of the people. People just try to add some money. Yeah, yeah. They did try to perform the live trades. Sorry, they try to perform and create the money from that. So yes, some of experts and analysts are just expecting that BTC can go a little bit upward on the bullish side, but towards 100,000 K, maybe somewhere around there. And Ethereum, of course, let's for not forget to mention Ethereum. Ethereum is like psychologically just moving around 3,000 mark. So yeah, it's too early to say. And XRP is just $1.88. So yeah, there is a resistance at $2. So let's see what how does it goes. And what about the fear index? Let's talk about the fear index. Let's talk about the market uh, sentiments and cautions. Yes, the fear and greed index is surprisingly low actually. It's 28. It's on the fear side actually, but as well that wasn't expected. Like in the start of every year, it always just goes towards greed. Maybe it will take like 2, 3, 4 days, and it will definitely. You guys will see it. It will improve to maybe somewhere around 50 in between that when BTC tries to move up a little bit. And there is one more thing actually. Let's not forget to mention BTC's critical support level is like 87,000. So if it holds this position, it's likely like uh, yeah, it can go up if it holds that mark. And if something big, some big order blocks just fills up. So what can we say? The next resistance level would be somewhere around in between 80 to 70 to 80,000 mark, in between somewhere around there. I have never checked it. I will check it and let you know about more details. So yes. Okay, there is one more thing actually. US Senate crypto markup schedule is also on 15th of January. So like there are like 10, 15 days now for now. So there could be a big pump. Uh, the market sentiments are on the bullish side for now. Um, but we cannot say, we cannot confirm it yet because it's too early to say. And let me check. Uh, okay. Let's. Mm, I hope you guys can see the screen. So that's the truth. The coin we were just trading like 2, 3 days back. And actually my system got stuck at the time. I could not be able to show you the screen at that mark. Now I can show you my, yeah, it's just falling back. So let me just remove these lines for now. These were previous support and resistance I have drawn. But now let me show you the history, order history, copy. So yes, we have made a $70 like 3, 4 days back on 30th, yeah, on 30th of December. So yeah, that was it. There is no more open position for now. Actually, let's see uh how does it goes. Okay, so we don't have any open position for now. You guys can see, and let's open a position and see if it goes right or wrong. But let's level. I have just favorites few coins, so the coins which I'm just performing few trades from last few days. So That's the way I can have a better look. So let's talk about 1 hour time frame. Yes, for this one, if you see, uh, 1 hour time frame is in favor. Let me check one another thing. Uh, just wait, guys. Let me set up one more thing for you guys. Uh, okay. Guys, just stay with me. I'm just going to check one thing for you guys. Okay, guys, let's talk about this pair. Actually, this one, the movement of this coin is just very uh, steady for now. Actually, there is not much clear, and it's already on the lower side of its mark, but it's too early to say if it moves up or down. It's already on the lower side. It's a new coin, so let's forget it for now. And let's see if we can check this one. Yeah, this is my favorite coin for now. And it's just improving day by day and giving me an opportunity. Let's talk about 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so 5 minutes time frame is already on the, let's see the RSI first. Okay, so on the 5 minutes time frame, RSI should be in the favor, but in the 1 minute time frame, let's see. I think we should wait for this one a little bit more for now. Okay. I can open the long position from here, but I don't want to open it for on this market. Actually, this would be the support for now. Actually, I'm just going to draw the support and let's see. Stay with me, guys. Okay, let me check the volume first. So that's the way we can have a better understanding. Okay, so here we go. Hmm, what's going on here? Okay, so moreover, let's talk about I think we should wait for this one a little bit for now, I must say. Uh, mm, let me check. Okay. So, as previously, we do perform live trade following by the RSI or some. So that's the way we can have a better understanding. So yes, RSI is in our favor for now. And let me check if yes, RSI is in favor. Yes, we can open the long position from here. I'm using how much should I use? I am using 2% of my portfolio. Uh, Using the cross margin for now. Let me use the cross one. Okay, so I'm using the cross, but I don't suggest you guys. I'm going to open the long position. Let's wait maybe a little bit more. Yeah. See, as I just mentioned, uh, we should wait at this mark at least and see. As I said, the price just falls down. So yeah, it happens. And I must say, for now, okay, let me check. Should I? Yeah, this could have been a support for now, but this mark, because we are just doing short-term scalping, so we cannot just confirm it yet. It could, if it comes at this mark, like three, four times at least, times at least, so, and then goes back a little bit up and then comes back down. So that's the way we can just open the long position. Um, if I'll open the long position, following by its previous movement. Yes, I can open the long position, but that could be a little bit risky. I think I should use. Okay, let's do it for 15x. Not recommended, strongly not recommended. Use small amount of leverage from the market and as well as the amount I'm using, I'm just using 2% of my portfolio. So just be safe, guys. For now, I'm going to open the long position using my 1% of my portfolio with 15x levers. So it's my live account. I have just opened a position and let's see how much profit I can grab from this position. And I am in position right now and you guys can have a look. Let's see. Okay. All right. So let's have a look. And yes. Okay, what I did in this position is I opened it with 1% of my portfolio. I always select the amount if the same amount is going wrong, like if trade goes wrong at this mark, of course, nobody can we can just judge the moment, we can just select uh, what the way is. But if yeah, it's not always like we always just pick on the top and we can just grab the bottom. Yeah, sometimes it happens, yeah, if you have a better understanding. But if it's not happening, of course, sometimes it doesn't happen. So I use 1% of my portfolio and kept 1% on the backup. I will perform the DCA if the price goes the same amount of as I open the long position. If the price goes to minus 50% of my open trade, I will do the DCA with the same amount of the position I have just opened the long position. And yeah, as I just mentioned earlier, I just grabbed it because of like the RSI. But yeah, it's in our still in our favor actually. But let's see how can we grab it. Sometimes we need to wait. And where I'm going to put my TP is, let me check the 5 minute time frame so we can decide like where is the resistance at this point. This could be the resistance and this could be the resistance, but not confirmed. The major resistance is here, second resistance would be here, third would be here, fourth would be here. Mm, Let's talk about 15 minutes and yes, still it's in our favor actually. Okay guys, let's do this with this trade. Let's keep it continue till the end of the session. So let's see if what can we grab from this trade, or if it goes to like if when it comes to profit like in the positive side, so I can uh yes, I can put my stop loss as some point. So that's a way we can just check if we are in the safe zone or not. Okay, so yes. And let me check the volume for this one now. So this is the 1 15 minutes time frame, and let's do it for the 5 minute time frame, or let's keep it for on the 1 minute time frame. So that's the way it looks better. So, so you guys can have a better understanding. Okay, okay, okay. All right. So what's going on? What's going on? Okay, I'm just going to check. All right. And what's going on here? Can have a better understanding. All right. Let's talk about uh Okay, so we just took the trade just because of the RSI and the movement, but the movement was bullish, so I just entered the position because of the bullish momentum. And I think let's check how at what point I can just put my SL. So yes, if I talk about 17439, mm, okay, let's see if we can grab this profit. Uh, yes, we can. Yes, we can. We can. But we can move over TP to this mark as well, 1.76 as well. And all right, let's not forget to mention, guys. This is my real account. This is my live account. I'm performing the live trade using the Albank exchange. It's a very friendly, very user friendly. The interface is very cool actually, and very easy understandable. So it's a good exchange. It's a upcoming emerging exchange, and this is what I'm using. You can click on the link as well. There is a link in description, and can register using that link as well. So that's the way uh, you can have a okay. Let me set up one more thing actually. Okay. Yes, we are just near to the break even, and we can we can do that. Mm, yes. So the momentum is still in the favor, and I think I have just put the TP at the right mark actually. What do you think? Uh, let's see. And for now, it shows the good sign. Let me check. Mm, okay. Okay. And all right, guys. See the position. Position is just at moving at the same pace at some mark. So we are. Thank you, Amar Amarana, for your message. It's a great honor for me to be a part of uh, the live crypto community, and we are just performing the live trades. I perform live trade every day and show you guys how to grab your share from the market. So that's what I'm doing, and let's see today how much can we grab from the market. And one more thing, let's talk about that again. Just always just take small profit and close your trade every day instead of like keep it continue. And if you're stuck at some trade, just close it in negative or in loss. That and you can just create the profit very next day as well. If it goes wrong again, then just close it and just keep it continue. Uh, one day, of course, you will get a good profit, and it happens. Just be safe, guys. It's a very volatile market. All what you need to do is just to be safe and just control your emotions and just keep it continue. And let's see if things goes right. Okay, let's see the other pair actually. I have just checked. Uh, this one. Uh, okay. So we are. I think we have just put the TP at very realistic price. Okay, so it's already in positive. I can put my stop loss at my break even and see this kind of candle I am just talking about. This is what I want. And it's just because we see the momentum of the coin. Actually, it's just moving on the upside. So yes, that's the way we can grab it. And let's see if we can just make $100 from this trade. Uh, it's not always happens like what I said. Let's see if it goes right, then yes, we can just grab $100 profit from this trade. So we are in open position now, and yeah, 12% profit. Yeah, okay. What we can do is we can just open it with a big amount of the leverage as well. That's the way we can grab more profit, but not recommended. Just be safe, guys. I always just mention. Okay, let's put my stop loss to $10 somewhere around there. So that's what I did is actually I just kept myself in safe zone. If it hits, no worries. If it falls down, then still I'm safe. I still have $10 positive. And if goes to my TP, of course, what we are earning is $110 in just one trade. If it goes right, and if it hits my stop loss, no worries. We'll take the trade again. And let's see if everything goes smooth. Um, yes. So far, so good. And let's see. if we can make some of the profit from this one. All right, let's keep it continue. Meanwhile, we can check the other pair, what I was just talking about. This one and okay, what's happening with this one? Yes, it's gaining momentum on the bullish side. See, that's the 1 hour time frame, and the 1 hour time frame shows us the indication. And if you see the 1 day time frame, so yes, it's already on the lower side of the amount of the price. So yes, there are good chances for this one to go a very good, get a good pump back at least to this mark should be the half of this candle can go to that mark. That's a 1 day time frame. Yes, it can take a little bit more time. Uh, but if big volumes come in, then anything can be happened from here. But what I do is I will not open any other position until unless my first position is going to be closed. If my first position is not closing and I'm opening another position, I'm just doing a mistake. Never do that. Never do that. Just open one trade at once. That's the way you can just protect yourself at least. You can see the movement of other coins. Okay, let's grab this one. Let's grab this position. Yes, you can. And I don't say that it goes wrong, but it's not recommended actually. Just be safe actually. I strongly recommend you guys. So yes. Mm, okay. And okay, for now, let's see. Okay, okay, let's forget this one for now. We are not actually we are not going to open the position for now actually, and we are just going to see this one that how it goes right or wrong. Yes, it's falling back. Yes, it's falling back. It can hit my stop loss. It can. Yes, it can. But at least this big candle just have gave me a good hope for this one to go a little bit more up. And if it, okay, one more thing we can do is we can take profit $50. No, actually, I'm not. I don't want actually 50. I just want to make sure. Okay, one more thing, let me show you guys. This trade is in 10% positive right now. So that means I am earning 10% profit on the position size. This is my position size. Margin is called position size. $304, and I have made I am in positive $32. So that means 10% in profit. You can select the amount of profit in every trade as well, that you want to make 10%, 20%, 30%, whatever the percentage you want. You can see, you can wait. If you're doing intraday day trades, or you just want long-term trades, yeah, you can grab like hundreds of percent, 200%. Five, I have made like 1,000% of one trade. I have did like 2 3 times, and it happens if you open it for a long period of time. But yes, if it goes wrong, that means you're 1,000% negative. It can be. So yeah, just that's where where you need to decide like how much you want to grab from trade. And if you let's, I just want to make 30% from this trade actually. So that's it. That's it. Not more than that. And 30% of that would be around $110, 100 and few dollars, 101, $2. And let's see. If it goes right or wrong. It's in front of you guys. It's my live account. I have opened the long position on my live account, so that's the way you can have a better understanding. And how did I enter the trade? I just opened the trade because I have seen the momentum of this one. So following by the momentum, yes, you can grab that opportunity. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. Okay, we are in a good shape now. At least we're in the safe zone, at least. We have a stop loss at $10. Let's make it $15. If it goes a little bit, if this crosses this mark, 0.17475, then I will move my stop loss to this position, to 0.17390, somewhere around there. So yeah, but if it crossed this one, and if it's falling back, then it can hit my SL as well. So um, let's wait it for now. It's getting a rejection from this mark actually. There is a resistance at this mark, but why is it? It is just because of. Let's see the 5 minute time frame. Yes, you see, you guys can see. That's what I'm talking about. There is a rejection just because of this one. This one. Yes, here is a resistance for now. And if it crosses this resistance, then it can go up, of course. And if it's not crossing, then it's falling down to at least. Yeah, my break even is the support level. Could be maybe a little bit more lower side. Let me draw the support. First support is somewhere around here. And second support is of course on the bottom of this one. And here is the resistance for now. Let's see, don't come down, just cross the resistance. Mm, This is not a good sign actually. This engulfing, if it closes with engulf, that means the complete candle with no wicks on top or bottom of it, then that could be a dangerous sign for me that it can, yeah, see, it can hit my stop loss. And if this candle goes a rejection from here and goes a little bit up, then yes, we are. Why should we not remove our SL for now? Now we have a confusion at this mark. No worries. Let's keep it continue. Uh, okay, okay, okay. So what's going on here is we can see there is a little bit pullback, but let's see if it gives us a good opportunity. So I just want to make sure, I just want to this moment to hit my TP. My TP will be $110. That's my live account. You guys can have. Okay. And let's. No, there is a rejection at this mark. So if it falls down, then it will hit my stop loss. Okay, so yeah, it happens. What we are doing is we're just okay. So now let's wait for now if we can get a profit from this one. Yeah, go a little bit up and we will see. And so sometimes it sucks. Okay, so you guys can see uh okay, so I feel like this can hit my stop loss, but we are in the safe zone. Yes, it's possible, but let's see if we can. And what's going on here is yes. See, it's moving towards my stop loss. So here's my stop loss. What I can do is, should I remove my stop loss for now, or just want to what should I do actually? Should I keep it continue? I don't know. I'm not sure. Uh, okay, at least let's put my stop loss. Let's keep it at the same mark. So at least we will be in the safe hands. And if the market falls down, then we will be waiting for the next moment. And let's wait for now. And we are $20 positive. And okay, so guys, stay with me, and I'm just going to perform. Okay, guys, let me just put my phone on charge, system on charging, and so we can continue. Okay, and so yes, what's going on? It's just moving around to my stop loss, and let's see if it goes right or wrong. You can see it's just moving around at the same mark. And my stop loss is here, just above my break even. So my at least would be in $15 positive, which is not much actually, but better than nothing. Better than it goes wrong. So, and if it hits this one stop loss and then went back up, then I will be in regret of that. Why should why I did not remove my stop loss at this mark? Well, it happens. That's a part of the game. Yes. And it comes like where you control your emotions and everything like that. So, yes. Okay. What's going on here is okay. Uh, what do you guys just like? Should I keep it continue for this position? Okay, so there is a rejection at this position. See, I just took the entry from this mark. Put my stop loss here on the just above the break even, and all I want is just this kind of candle actually once again, and crosses this support actually, this resistance. If it crosses this resistance, then we are in safe hands. We are in $40 positive now, almost $40, and we can just close our trade here. But I just want to keep it continue. Let's grab. Uh, okay, yeah, yeah. One more thing. I have just removed my stop loss. As we decided to open the position before we just did, I just wanted you guys to understand the beauty of the DCA. I have the margin of 2% of my capital. That's I can afford to lose, of course. Um, so I opened the trade with 1% of my portfolio, which is $300 now. Uh, and I kept $300 on backup, like 1% again. So that's the way I can open I can make my position to $600. And the $300 I will use to perform DCA. I hope you guys can have a better understanding of DCA. DCA can move your price very quickly. So yes, that's the way you can have a control on your on your trade. Uh, this coin is already on the lower side of the price, so yes, there are chances for this one to go up, of course. But and one more thing, yes, I mentioned earlier, like just open one trade at once. Don't open multiple trades. And if one trade goes wrong, in one day, just close your system, close your trading application, and just stay away from the market. If you try to revenge the market will just take more money from you. So be safe, guys. It's just a part of it. And yes, let's see how much we can grab from this one actually. And what's going on? What's going on is here is mm, so market is moving very slowly. Uh, so let's keep this trade continue till the end of my session. I must say, I just want to perform one trade and want you guys to understand the if we can make the profit from just one trade and let's keep it continue. Yes. Okay. What's going on here is we are just moving up. I just took the trade because I just followed the momentum of this coin. The momentum shifts from bearish to bullish at this mark. I just entered the position at this mark, and this is the support level. And here is the resistance level for now, at least. If it crosses the resistance, then it can go up, of course. And if it's not crossing, if it tries to break this one down again and crosses up on the upside, and if it's not going to cross, then it will definitely fall down. And then that means there is a clear rejection at this mark. So we are doing the short-term scalping. Let's talk about 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, you can see I just took the long position from here. Yes, there are chances for this one to come down, of course, if we see on the broader aspect. So let's see. See, guys, that's what I'm talking about. And this is the 15 minutes time frame. Let's talk about 1 hour time frame. If we open the intraday trade, so yes, we can open it for and just keep it continue. Then I can make like maybe $500 from this trade as well. So I just don't want to make $500. I just want to grab just $100. And doing a short-term scalping, just close the trade and just stay away from the market. So that's what you need to do actually. Control your emotions, trade wisely, trade sensibly instead of just performing it like quickly. So don't do that. Just be safe, guys. Moreover, let's talk about. So this is my live account. This is my real account. I am using the real money in this account, and I have opened the position with 1% of my portfolio just to let you know, guys, that what you need to do is if you are new to crypto, just perform the trade using 1% of or 2% of your portfolio, taking maximum 10x leverage, not more than that. If you are new, just try to make 1% of your capital every day. If you make 1% of capital every day and try to compound it, you can make millions of dollars. Of course, you can do that. But that totally depends like how you decide, how you make your discipline. And discipline is the key actually in the trading. And if you follow the discipline, discipline will give you a good reward. If you don't follow your discipline, then nobody can give you a profit. If you are still going into profitable positions, still you will not get a good profit. Okay. So yes, we are in a good shape for now. I will not put my st I will not I'm not using stop loss and take profit at this mark. I have opened the position with 50 $300, $304, 10% of my portfolio. Sorry, 1% of my portfolio. And let's see how much we can grab from this one. Mm, The price is moving up, which is a good sign. Price is following the momentum actually. So yes, let's see. If you guys have any question, you guys can just write me in the comment section or in the live chat. So I would love to respond to you guys. It will be a great honor for me to respond you on your comments and your reply messages. So yes, you can just write me anything related to crypto trading, markets, anything like that. So I would love to respond to you guys. Moreover, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. So we are just started building community, and just click on the link. There is a link in bio. You guys can click on the link to join my community. So let's build it together. Try to be safe, try to perform safe, try to increase your wealth. And how to increase your wealth? Just be safe, guys. Uh, make some strategy, make uh, patron, make your discipline. If you make it, and if you, it took me like 2 years almost to make my discipline. So from almost last 1 year, almost now, yeah, almost now. So I am in a profitable position, and that's the way. I just want you guys to learn and earn. Don't give money to anybody. You can just learn first, and then you can earn, of course. And don't give money to anybody. There are free courses all over the internet. There are free content. There are free live sessions, just like I'm doing. So that's the way you can earn good money. You just learn. Don't give money to anybody. Anybody. Don't just join groups. Just join free groups. Learn the strategies what they are using. I have created one group. You can just click on the link, join it. Don't pay money to anybody. Moreover, I would love to remind you guys again, crypto is a very volatile market. Just be safe. Do your own research. Don't follow my trades. Follow your own strategy. Make your own strategy. Make your own discipline and follow it. And if something is wrong in your discipline, and one more thing, just start doing with your demo accounts. So there are multiple applications that are offering demo accounts. So on the demo accounts, you can have a very good control on your trades. So that's the way you can like increase your portfolio, demo portfolio. Then if you understand, okay, now you can use your real money, then start using very small amount of, and the amount which you can afford to lose. It's okay. The money you are just adding in the trading platform. If it goes wrong, no worries. I have no issue. So just add that amount of money, and of course you will be in loss, and of course you will get some profit at some mark. And when you get the profit, then yes, and you will have a better control. I always mention that just keep your trades close every day and stay away from the market. Market is very beautiful. It will attract you again. Whenever you open your application, it shows like, okay, let's trade once more. And if you are profitable at that day and at the end of the day, you will have to give your money back to the market. So it's very clever market. It's very like, yeah, be safe, guys. I just suggest you guys. Okay, wait, let's. Okay, so what's going on here is, so my position is just stuck at the some mark exactly. Let's see if it goes in positive side or negative side. Uh, yes, Amar, actually, I just got your message. I suggest, I personally, I'm not mentioning that I just recommend people to use in scalping. So that's the way you can just protect yourself. Market can turns anywhere. So if some big whales are in the market, they take money from the market or they put the money in the market. And some exchanges, they know very better things. We are not the part of whales actually. We cannot understand, okay, if somebody big just putting the money in the market or just taking the money out from the market. So that's why I don't do intraday trades. I just try to perform scalping. Previously, as I mentioned earlier, like I have just done like multiple times on keep my trades open for like days. Sometimes it goes wrong and just keep it away. Okay, let's go. Some maybe it will come to positive and just it washed out my account. It happened with me multiple times. So that's why I suggest to perform a trade just right away, close it in positive. If it goes in on the negative side, and just close it and stay away from the market. People try to revenge the market, and the revenge is not good actually. So market is not there for you. You are here to just grab very small chunk of your profit from the market and stay away. Gradually, you can just I suggest people to increase the portfolio just 1 or 2% of what if you do it every day, yes, that's a good sign. And if you like I st- let me check one more thing actually. Okay, so I was just talking about like perform scalping instead of keeping it on just waiting for intraday trades, like keep it continue. Yes, there are a few coins which are like on the lower side, lower prices. Yes, you can just keep, but if you want to keep it continue or you want to invest something, then you can just buy them in support. So instead of like performing futures trade, you can just keep in. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's why I prefer to do scalping instead of doing intraday trades. So that's I learned like from few years, spending few years of my life, and yes, it happens. And so far so good. And see, guys, I just removed my stop loss from here, and if it my stop loss would be here, it could hit my stop loss. And let's see if we are. I just mentioned earlier, like I will do DCA with one more percentage of my portfolio, so I can afford to lose 2% of my portfolio. Uh, of course, we can just take it back from the market at some time. But that's my benchmark. Always set your benchmark that how much money you can just afford to lose. So yes. Okay, for now. So my trade, it seems like it will fall down. What I said is earlier is I just want to keep it continue maybe for the end till the end of the session. Let's see if I'm right. Or what we can do is we can just grab like 20, 30, $40 in every trade and stay away. So let's do it that way. But for that, I just want to, I just don't want to increase my margin. So that's the way I will like violate my rules. Yeah. So my rule is using 1% for to open my trade. Maybe use 10 to 15x. No worries. You can use 20x, but not recommended. Use 10x leverage from the market. That's recommended. Uh, let's see. What are we getting? Okay, so we are stuck at this position. If you guys have any more questions, you can just write me in the comment section. You can make millions of dollars from the market. I am just not a millionaire yet, actually, but gradually, yes, you can increase your capital, and if you compound your capital, you can make millions, of course. Don't make millions. I don't recommend that. Just make small amount of profits. Maybe in start tens of dollars. or maybe $1 to $5 every day. So increase your portfolio, use 1% of your capital to open a trade. Like I did, I just uh, when I started following my strategy, my discipline, I just added $100 and just wanted to increase 1% every day. And I did it. And for the first month, my 23 days were positive and 7 were negative. And my portfolio was, I think, at that time increased to 100 and somewhere around $30, 30 or $35. And in the next month, I gained like $50 profit. So my portfolio increased to 100 and somewhere around 80, $85. And the next month, I did it again. I just gradually increased 1 or 2% every day. So that's the way I just made $1,000 in I think 10 days. Yes, 12 days maybe. And then of course gradually you can just keep it continue and then you can make of course more dollars. So yes, one more thing I mention always, when you are in good shape and you made double of your at least capital, just take your capital out from the market. And yeah, that's the way you can just feel safe. At least you just have took your money back from the market. So still, of course, if something goes wrong, like this happened like 2 months back, the BTC falls down, and few of the stop losses even were not hit. So people were washed out. Their accounts were washed out. So it happens. It happens. What you need to do is just take your capital, original capital from the market, and if something, if anything goes wrong, just like it happened like 2 months back, so still what you're losing is your time actually. And actually you're not losing anything. That's the way you learn actually more. So after even after like like previous 2 months back, what happened with the BTC, I learned this, that just open isolated trades. And but still I'm using cross to show you guys. Uh, One more thing I have learned, I perform trades on meme coins actually. So meme coins, on those meme coins which are on already on the lower side of their prices. So what I do is just using 1% of my portfolio, and 99% of my portfolio is in the backup of that actually. But I will close it on -2%. Yeah, if it goes -2%, I will close it manually, or just I can put my stop loss at that mark. But I do that. I perform to click on that's the way the liquidity is not shown. What happened 2 months back, the BTC just falls from 1,000 100,000 to like somewhere around 80,000. So uh, I was open in a position, and that was just went back to negative, and then I just got sleep and just wake and woke up and saw the market just crash down, and my coin was still in positive. What just happened? I just saw my portfolio went down to like $5,000 negative. But what happened is the coin was already on the lower side of its price, and the liquidity was not showing. So liquidity was not there actually. If coin goes to near to zero, then still I will be in the safe zone. So that's what I just opened the position with just 1% of my portfolio. So that's the way I just saved my myself. So that's what you can do. So yes, that's a part of it. Okay. So you guys can see the market, the price is in a good position, and we are sorry. Okay, see there's a pump back a little bit. What we can do is we can just close the trade here. Maybe it will be a positive $50. somewhere around here, or maybe $40 from this trade. Should we close it? No, let's keep it continue. I just want to keep it continue for the longer period of time. So maybe that's the way I can. Yeah, I have just drawn this the resistance at this mark, and if it crosses the resistance from here, then we are in a good position. Then it will go up a little bit more, up and up and up, and it crosses the support, and this candle and the next candle should close above this line, this mark. And if it's not closing on above, on top of this line, then it will fall down again. Yes, it will fall down again. And we are $40 positive now. You guys can see the position in $44, $43. Just cross it. Just cross this mark. If it crosses this mark, then we will be in a good shape. It doesn't look nice actually. Okay, guys, I have just flipped the camera. And yes, let's see if it crosses this mark. There is a chance for this one to go a little bit more up. And yes, this one is above the resistance line and $50 positive. Guys, this is my live account. All you need to understand, this is my live account and I'm using 1% of my portfolio. So yes, in we are in a positive position now. Let's see. Let's see if we can. We are $60 in positive now. What we need to do is, I'm not showing you guys thousands of dollars in one trade. Just don't fall for that. Just grab small profit. And yes, we can. What I wanted to do is this in this trade, just keep it continue till the end of the session. So that's the way we can. Let's make it $100. That's enough for a day. Don't make thousands of dollars in every day. Yes, at some point you will be able to make a good profit. But for now, I must say yes. Mhm. Okay, okay, okay. See, guys. Okay, so what's going on here? I will show you. Okay, so here we go. I'm just going to show, uh, so we are in $50 positive now. So what we can do is we can, sorry, yes. So in $50 now, should I close my trade right here or just keep it continue? Maybe, yes, we can just keep it continue. And let's see, yes. Where my TP is, oh, I just removed my TP as well. Let's put my TP again to somewhere around $100. So I just want to make $100 from this trade. So here's my TP, and that's achievable actually. Uh, it will go above to this line, but what I can do is I am in $76 positive now, and it can go a little bit more up. We are $75 positive now. So let's see. Um, yes, $75. Should I put my stop loss at $50? Let's Okay, so now we are in safe zone. So either I can make $100 or my $50. So now at least my stop loss is $50 positive, and uh, my SL is $50 and my TP is $100. So still I will be in a good shape in this trade. And let's see if we can now 73. Either I can make $50 or I can make $100. So yes, a successful trade opened with $300 margin using my 1% of my portfolio with 15x leverage from the market. So yes, that's the way I opened this trade actually. Maybe yeah, it can go a little bit more up. For the intraday trade, yes, it can go more up. It can go a little bit more up, but for I must say, yes, one more thing. Let's not forget to mention this is just for information, just for the fun, just to let you know, guys, how I perform live trades. Don't perform the trades what I am doing. Uh, don't follow this trading pattern. Just do your own research. This is just for information and just for fun. Trading is very volatile market. Just do your own research before you put your real money. Start before you put your real money. I would strongly recommend you guys to start doing with your demo accounts. So on the demo accounts, in the demo accounts, you can just have a better understanding of performing to see the charts, to see the patterns, to see what's going on in the market. Yes, in the demo accounts, yes, you can make it. Moreover, for now, I must say we are in. I think I will make $50 in this trade because my SL is $50 positive. And let me show you guys again. So this is my position right now, and position is in my control actually. So my control is actually my stop loss is at $50 positive. Right now it's $70. I can grab this profit, but not going to get this one now. Maybe I'm just waiting for this one to hit my TP. So TP is $100. And this fall can lead this trade to come to $50. Let's see what we can grab from this one. Um, yes, let's see. All right, guys. What we are doing is just waiting to grab this TP. Uh, yes, this is my strategy. I just open one position at once and just keep it continue. Uh, and before closing one position, I'm not going to open any other position. Okay, let's see the other coin for now. What I was just having look previously. Okay, so yes, there are chances for this one to go a little bit up. If we see the RSI in a very good position, we can open the long position, but I'm not going to open the long position from here. I'm just waiting for, wow, this coin got a little bit pump, good pump from here. It went to, okay. Yeah, it can fall down actually if you see the 15 minutes time frame. Oh, yes. You understand the moment of this one? Yes, potentially it will go up, of course. See the RSI. Okay. That's a 5 minutes RSI in favor. Let's talk about 15 minutes RSI. It's not in 100% favor, but it's in good shape. And if we see the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, no, it's not good. In the 1 day time frame, yes, still there are chances for this one to go up. See the 1 day time frame. The moment of this coin. Yes, if we do the back test, see the movement of this one. So that's the way you understand. Uh, that's the way you understand the next move of any coin. Always just do a back test before you open any position. Okay, let's see our position, previous position. Uh, what's going on is yes. So what I'm doing is I open the position using my, oh, yeah, I have used 1% of my capital. I'm using $300 to open the position, and I will use another $300 if the price goes wrong, if something goes wrong, if price falls down, if my entry point is going down. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to close this trade to 30% off the profit of using this margin. So it's now somewhere 23%. I just want to close this one at 30%. So that's the way we can just grab small amount of profit instead of just running after like millions of or thousands of dollar in a trade. No, don't do that. Don't fall for that. Either I will make $50 or I will make $100. So $50 positive in my stop loss and $100 positive is my TP. So yes, what's going on here is, let's see if it will give me some profit. Or I can close my position right now. So that's the way I can grab $71, at least $70. So what should I do? You guys can just write me in the comment section in the live chat as well. Okay, okay, okay. Hmm, did I get a message? Oh, okay. So $75, $74. Let's see, let's see. It's going to hit my TP. Please hit my TP. I am $94. See guys, that's a live trade. You guys can see I am going to maybe grab $100 in this trade. And let's see if I can grab $100 or a $50. So there are chances, there are good chances. Oh, this empty wick is not a good sign. But there's a empty wick in the previous candle. That was a good sign for this candle actually, but this empty wick is not a good sign. Um, I don't have a good feeling for this one. Maybe there are more chances now for this one to hit my stop loss. So let's see. Stay with me. Okay, okay. See, that's what I'm talking about. See, guys, that's what I just talked about. I just said like it seems there are more chances for this one to hit my stop loss. But anything can be happen if some big order blocks fills here. So yes, we can. Um, see, $61. So what I just said is these empty wicks, these kind of empty wicks are clear sign sometimes for the next candle it's going to fall down. So it seems like it will give me just $50 instead of giving me $100. What else I can do is I can remove my stop loss from here and wait for a little bit long, but I actually don't want to lose anything. If it falls down, if momentum is shifting, if momentum will shift, then what will I do? I will be in a regret instead of being in regret, just take some profit. Maybe it will go up more up, but what we need to do is um don't. Oh, my order is filled. I have just hit my stop loss and you guys can see it's still 16% positive. And all of my previous, yeah, this was in the negative. I just closed the long position. Uh, yeah, and then I made 163, 70 dollars, $50. So that's the way you can just grab small amount of profits. See, guys, that's after just hitting my stop loss, it just went back up. So, so this is just happening. Okay, no worries. We don't need to worry about anything. Okay, after just hitting my stop loss, it just went back. So yes, even this was an engulfing candle. That was a clear sign that there was a rejection at this mark. Okay, so we have made a $50. Today, my target is to make just $200, not more than that. So just try to grab small amount of profit. My portfolio I am using is, okay, let me refresh why it's not updated in my portfolio. Yes. Okay, so let me tell you about this one. Yes. So let's open a position using a 10% of the margin. Or should I wait at least for now? I think it's not on the right side actually. Let's come to this, let it come to this mark at least. So yes, we are in a good shape for now. Yes, that's what I just want this one. That's kind of candle actually I just wanted. Oh wow. 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 This kind of wall actually I need. At least for now. See the RSA. See guys? RSA. See, you guys can see the RSA. This is very volatile coin actually. There is a big movement in this coin. Let's open. No, 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 not sure. Should I open the long position? No. I think I need to wait. Yes, don't do hurry actually. No, I'm not doing hurry. to open the position. So here is a support actually. There is a support at this mark. So yes, there are chances for this one to go up from here. And let's see. Okay. Yes. If something goes wrong, then it will fall down to C. No, there's a big candle at this mark. There is a fair value gap at this mark. If it falls down to that, then we cannot save ourselves at this position. I think we should wait at least for now. Okay, meanwhile, let's talk about another coin. Uh, yeah, let's see about this one. Okay, it's just falling down again. Yeah, in the 5 minutes time frame, you see the RSI. RSI is in our favor. We can open the long position, but no, we are not going to. There is not much movement and volume in this coin actually. Let's forget this one for now. But these kind of coins can, if goes if moves a little bit, then it can give you a good one. Okay, okay. So let's see. So the movement is very okay. Okay, guys, there's a link in description in bio. Yes, you can click on that, and that's the way you can join my community. Moreover, yes, there's a link in description to register your account with this exchange. Uh, that's the way you will get a $50 bonus upon registration of your account, and you can use it to perform your futures trade. So it's a free voucher. You can just avail that opportunity and enjoy that free voucher. Enjoy the free money actually instead of using your own money. So just click on the link and register your account with exchange. Yes, you will get a bonus upon registration. And crypto trading is very volatile. Be safe, guys. It's a very volatile market. Don't trade as I do because don't follow my strategies. Just make your own strategy, make your own discipline, and follow that. And this is not I'm not a financial expert, not a financial. This video, this live stream is not a financial advice. Just be safe. This is just for information and entertainment purposes. I always just perform live just to show you guys